welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is B Page. Well guys, for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng isang reaction. Isang Filipina while walking on the aisle. Siya po ay kumakanta ng He Knows, performed by Almira La Trinidad. So, this is an original wedding song guys, performed by her. And this is my first time hearing. So, pakinggan po natin yung version ng kantang to guys. At I'm so excited na po na marinig itong boses niya at makita itong the whole video guys. Panoorin natin. Bago man natin umpisahan, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-click ang bell guys and hit and like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, B Page. So let's start guys. I'm so eager to watch this video. So let's start. So let's begin guys.
A few months ago, I asked Kuya Boom, also known to you as Lolito Go, to write a song for my wedding day. I sent him a few lines that I wrote myself, and he fashioned it into a piece of poetry before he finally set his original music to it. I would also like to acknowledge Mr. Ian Inigo for his beautiful and magical arrangement, and to my Kuya JR Bandes for his flawless mixing and mastering of the track. So a million thanks to you guys for this collaborative effort. Thank you also for keeping quiet about the project. I know Joshua is not surprised anymore that I'm the one who will sing for my bridal walk. But my surprise is, here's the original song entitled He Knows. I offer this song to him and to the man I prayed for, who is now to officially become my other half.
Oh my God, goosebumps ako. Parang so touching.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine.
Oh my God.
He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak
Nayak
and
ako.
sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. When the roads will take it rough, he knows that we can steer them back, and he's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share with faith and love, without the blood. 'Cause he knows that only you can see me through. And because of this, I give you my I do.
Thank you, Lord.
Wow. Ang galing! Wow! Grabe! Very incredible voice. Amazing. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda na! It's a beautiful song! Grabe! Grabe! Tagos sa puso, guys, yung kantang yun. Grabe, niyak ako! Ang ganda ng, ang gandang, it was perfectly written, guys. Ang ganda ng pagkakanta. Wow. Ang ganda ng mensahe ng kanta, ng song. Oh, grabe. Nakabo talaga. Grabe, very touchy. Yung, lalo na yung sa kansa, words na yun na, he knows that you are mine and I am yours. Oh, ang galing. Ang ganda ng mensahe ng song, guys. You know, I cannot express myself about this function, but it is incredibly beautiful. Alam mo yung boses niya, parang pang Disney. Ang ganda ang ganda, guys. I like the videography, the lyrics, the musical arrangement, you know, yung mga flowers. So this one, ginawa to sa, it was held on Subic Park, guys. Comment down if it's true. And kasi alam mo saang park ito eh, saang party ito eh, saang bay ito. So maybe Subic Bay, no? Talagang as a Filipina talaga, hindi natin maiwasan talaga ang hilig natin sa mga kanta, lalo sa mga video, okay, you know. And I'm very, very grateful, and I'm very, very big thanks to all the foreigner who really appreciates our talents. Diba kasi, ang Pilipino kasi, kahit anong talento, ang napakahusay. Lalo na sa musika. Ang ganda ng pagkabigkas niya, yung pagka-deliver niya, talagang na-surprise yung mga tao. Tapos, wala na, naiyak ako. Ang ganda. God. So, yan nga, guys. It's very, you know, it's very stunning and absolutely beautiful. Talagang parang movie lang siya, you know. She is enjoying while she was singing, while walking on the aisle, guys. Talagang, God bless you more, both of you, the man and the wife. Talagang nasa, lalo mo lahat ng attention nasa kanila eh. You know, and I love the musical arrangement, guys. And the song, you know, it totally can be a great movie or Disney. Lalo yung voice niya, guys, the soundtrack. Besides, I love the soul behind the gown. Yan talaga ang gusto ko. Talagang, you know, ano siya, yung boses niya, it's an angel talaga. Ang ganda. Perfect, perfect. Talagang the song and the lyrics are amazing and perfectly written. Talagang tago sa puso, guys. Talagang may laman yung kanta na yun. Lalo na yung the word niya, he knows that you are mine and I am yours. Wow. That was so very amazing. So, yun nga, guys. At, lahat naman ng mga Filipino talented talaga, lahat na-appreciate yan, kahit anumang talento, talagang, even kahit Filipino ako talaga, no, salamat talaga sa mga nag-appreciate sa mga talent namin as a Filipino, guys. Kahit nasa banyo kumakanta, kahit saan kumakanta. Especially in the music industry. Talagang nandyan yung Pilipino, the best. So hanggang dito muli, guys, at sana magustuhan nyo itong reaction to. Please give me a thumbs up and please comment down below, guys. And if you have any suggestions, please comment down below also. And see you on my next reaction. Bye! Much love!